Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how you can set live wallpaper in Samsung Galaxy A17. So let's start. First you need to go to your settings, then scroll down and go to themes. Tap on continue. Now tap on wallpapers. Tap on search and type live wallpaper. Tap on search. Now as you can see, we have list of live wallpapers. Let's say I like this one. Tap on it and from here I can also see the preview. As you can see, this is the preview of live wallpaper. Now tap on apply and tap on done. Now let's check. Now as you can see, live wallpaper is now applied. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in next video.